Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School, and this is ICT Year 4. Welcome to your first lesson. We're going to learn a little bit about Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to open Microsoft Word, how to save a file, and we're going to learn a little bit about the keyboard. To open Microsoft Word, click on the Start button. On your programs list over here, scroll down until you find Microsoft Office, and then look for Microsoft Word. And this is how you open a new file. To save your file, simply go to File and then click on Save. A new window will open. You need to choose which folder do you want your file to be saved in, and then write the name of your file, and then press on Save. Now your file has been saved. It's time that we learn a little bit about the keyboard. The keyboard. Before you start using a computer, you need to learn what is the keyboard. The keyboard is connected to the CPU by a wire. The keyboard has many small buttons called keys. These keys are pressed to type alphabets and numbers. You can see different sets of keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys, you can type any letter in the alphabet using the alphabet keys. Number keys, you can type any number using the number keys. Arrow keys, you can use the arrow keys to move up, down, left, and right on the screen. Function keys, you can do special jobs using the function keys. Special keys. Special keys have special jobs. Example: the Control key, the Delete key, the Tab key, the Space Bar key, and the Enter key. Well, today we learned about Microsoft Word, how to open a file, how to save a file, and we learned a little bit about the keyboard. Now let's learn some things about the toolbar. How to use the toolbar. Let's start by learning how to change the font style and color. This is a new file that I opened in Microsoft Word. I'm gonna go ahead and write my name. Let's start by changing the font style. Before making a change to any text, you need to highlight the text. Click, drag the text that you want to change, and let go. Okay, this is a very important step. Highlight your text, click, move, and let go. And then, if I want to change the style of my font, I would go to the toolbar. This is my toolbar, and in the toolbar I have this menu to which I can change the style of my font. I have plenty of styles that I can choose from, a variety of options. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. How can I change the size of my text? Well, I change the style from this menu. Right next to it I have the size of my font. From this menu I can choose the size that I want for my text. Lastly, how can I change the color of my text? Again, I'm going to go to the toolbar, and in the toolbar I have this button over here. Let's try to pick a different color. How about blue? dark blue, which is my favorite color. And this is how I change the color of my text. Okay, this is very easy. This is where I change the font style. And here is where I change the size. And here is where I change the color of my text. Very easy, isn't it? Now let's learn something new. Do you know what the word align means? You see, I have 4 buttons over here. I'm going to use those first 3. This one aligns the text in the center. See? This one aligns the text to the right. And the first one aligns the text to the left. Now, if this is the title of my file, I could make the text go in the center, or align the text in the center of the document. Alright, very quickly, let's review everything that we've done from the beginning of this lesson. Okay, the first thing that we did was how to open a file, how to save a file, the keyboard, how to change the style of your text, how to change the size of your text, how to change the, can you guess this one? The color of your text, and the last thing that we learned is how to align your text. That was easy, it was very simple, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. That is it for your first lesson. See you again soon. Bye.